Alright, no? So this is the new tower type cage ng ating mga Sanconures, the pair Sanconures, no? It's quite big na siya, massive talaga siya. Okay, kompleto si Cabos, all their foods, all their dinglings are already here. So may layer na rin siya na ilalagay yung foods nila, no? Veggies and some of the seeds. Nandiyan na rin po yung water with vitamins, plain water. Nandun na rin yung cattle bones. Okay, so mas malaki siya. Malaki talaga. Super malaki ng cage siya to. So tower type. That's our Sanconures. We have the, kailang, what do you call this one, be? Yung calci block. So calcium block natin. There's another calcium block there. Ayun na po. Meron po tayong cattle bones. Isang toy lang nilagay natin, no? So there's another one, so meron silang flatbed dito so they can go easily to their nest box. So what's the features of our nest box para sa ating Sanconures, no? So makikita nyo, pang medium size talaga to. Shout out po, no? Shout out dito sa gumawa nito. So may aircon type na siya sa taas, singawan, and the beauty of this one is ayan, may nest box talaga, and then pwede siyang mahila. Fiberglass na siya. So maganda. So pag may maganda sila, mag-ito pa sila, madali na lang po siyang i-view. Okay? Ayan na. Makikita mo na kagad kung may mga eggs na sila. Okay? So that's it. Update for our Sanconures. So from bottom to top, so sobrang laki na talaga. There you go. Sanconures. 6 months old. Ayan si Moon, and that is Sun. Hi Sun, hi Moon, bye-bye!